Hello. What's up? How are you? I'm Yanni Ruiz again, the rapport of the mining software Workman. Today I'm preparing Workman Pro videos so you can get to know them. The benefits of this software that has been built to focus directly to companies, since it is licensed software. Good somewhere is licensed, because you can download and install freely. Any advanced options are under license. No, what I want to show you in this video is that for example, in Workman Pro, you can have a file like that you're looking now, and if you want it, send some colleague to someone, so that they can visualize it in that. Has the Workman Pro, it's very easy. You can save it in different ways. One is that you can open it in Workman Free, that we already know, and the other thing is that if the person does not have any of those software, can open it in a PDF. Look for this file. I'm going to go here to the project menu. I go here where it says export file. Export means that what are you going to get out of the software for take it to other software different to this one. We click here and we're going to put a name. For example, let's put export to, OK, and here by default appears the 3D PDF option. If you realize you have more options there, you have to take it to Google Earth, to take it to AutoCAD or other mining software, and DXF to take it to a software. GIS is not the one you want, but in this case I will focus on PDF. OK, I click on Save. Delay here depending on the size of the file. Make fast. I'm going to minimize this. Let's look here in the folder where I exported it. Let's open the file in the first. Once you open it in PDF, by default PDF asks you if it is a file of trust. You simply say yes, consider it a trusted file. And you can look at it and rotate it here, zoom it, move it as you want. Look, and you realize that the person does not need to have installed the Workman or the Workman Pro, right? Then there is the kindness that is offering the Workman Pro, licensed, right? Which is very important for companies. You know that the future perspective is already going little by little, forgetting about the plans, since sometimes the planes can get wet, they can be lost, you can burn many things, and the good thing is that, for example, you can open the PDF on a tablet, which you can take to the field, and you can more than visualize this 3D file, right? Here in 3D PDF, you can visualize the scene tree. You can turn off the layers you do not want to see. No. Look, you can activate as you want. You can see a plan view, view of Z East, view Z North, and E perspective view, and you can do many more things that are already their own from the PDF. I just wanted to show you this video so you have an idea of the potentiality that the new Workman Pro, where you can do this kind of thing, right? Here you can change the background of the screen like you want, and this is PDF that any computer has it, right? That is the advantage that Workman Pro has regarding Workman Free, right? In Workman Free, remember that what we do is this: I can export it maximum file, DXF, or take it to the 3D viewer, which is also free software. You can download it, and it only weighs 2 megabytes. But how do I tell you this from PDF? It comes a lot better, right? Look what can be done. Okay, so I wanted to show you this video. If you want to have more Workman Pro information, especially licenses, contact the emails that I will leave here below or above this video. Remember that Workman Pro is being focused for companies and for consultants who are dedicated to work of modeling, topography, right, and mining issue, right? For students, I always tell you that you have Workman Free, which have widely available tools there, and the good, as I have shown in other videos, is that Workman Free with Workman Pro, they are widely compatible. Then if you have the two software, you can get the most out of it and not have to acquire so expensive software licenses that are in the market, right? It's a software that has nothing for envying commercial software. So powerful, and so powerful that you can use from now on. Okay, ready? Then some restlessness consult. Leave me below this video